Samsung is planning to launch a new high-end smartphone called the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's making some changes to the way the phone looks. A well-known insider, Ice Universe, has given us some information about these changes. New thing about the Galaxy S24 Ultra is that it will have bezels around the screen that are all the same width. Usually phones have bezels that are not the same on all sides, but this phone will have them equal on all four sides. This makes the phone's screen and body look more balanced, and Ice Universe showed pictures that compare the bezels of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. The pictures show that the new phone will have more equal and better-looking bezels. Some bloggers on Weibo have also talked about how Samsung is changing the shape of the screens on their high-end phones. They compared the screens of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, and the upcoming S24 Ultra. They found that the trend is changing from having curved screens to having flatter screens. This change seems intentional, maybe to make the screen stronger and give the phone a different look. People who are into technology are really excited about these leaks because they show that Samsung is trying new things with how their phone looks and works. They are making the bezels around the screen all the same width and making the screen flatter, which is different from what they used to do. This should make the Galaxy S24 Ultra look and feel more modern and comfortable. People who really like Samsung phones are very excited to see what the new Galaxy S24 Ultra will be like when it's officially revealed. The leaks and comparisons by experts in the industry show that it's going to be an exciting change in how high-end phones look and work. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to set new standards for how phones should look and how the screen should be set up, making it a device that combines good looks with practical use in a new way. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks and see you next time. Peace out.